What up, Trusted Signals? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to do something a little different. I'm going to screen record and start off this week with some live trading. If you guys like these videos, please do give it a like and subscribe. Hit that like button. Share this video with your friends and family. Let's go ahead and take a look at the markets. All right, it is a new week, so I'm not going to be trading so aggressive. If I do even take a trade, it will be minimal risk. Why? Because Monday, there's a lot of manipulation. Hedge fund managers and big trade platforms are just starting their week, getting back into the trade office, so I don't expect so much movements happening on Mondays or Fridays. Here I have a friend that just gave me a message. Bro, have you seen Shiba? Put some money in, put some money in there, bro. Bueno, all cryptos, but the biggest return will be Shiba. Let's see what my brother is talking about here. Wow. Look at that. 88.6 retracement and it blast off. Let's check out XAU. Look at this buy signal that happened right here. Just wow. Up a good 35 pips on that buy signal right here. Let's see. We'll go back onto the daily. You see what I'm doing here? I'm just going through the time frames. I never really stay at one time frame. 1 hour. This buy signal on the 1 hour just came. Let me see something. Boom, that's the first take profit. Yeah, looks like it could go there, man. Look at that. We had the buy signal come in. First take profit is right here. Let's see. We're gonna go ahead and buy gold. This buy signal right here. So let's go long, and I entered at 1818.20. That's my entry. Take profit right there. A 1-to-1 ratio. Now let's sit and wait. See, I wasn't on the charts when I saw this buy signal, but we could have had this entry right here, which would have been solid, but I wasn't on the charts, so we're here. Patience, put some music on, enjoy yourself. Wait till the trade I need to play out. Gonna check the 5 minute on the XAU. Tell me what it do. Tell me you gon' climb, or you gon' tank like a fool. Did I get the trade right? Yeah, I'm gonna trade right. TrustedSignals got my trade right. Every day my trade's right. Yeah.
I just wanna see what's poppin' all day, yeah. I just look up on the charts and get these pips. Nothing's gonna stop me, I do it every day. Wake up in the morning, get straight to the click. I just wanna do what I do every day, get this paper straight. Wake up to the charts, let me see this pip go, make my day, yeah. Ooh, I just wanna get so paid, I'm talking so swole. Swollen pockets, oh no, get out my way, low.
Yo. Oh man, it's fun, bro.
I'm waiting on this drawdown. I'm trying to get this cake now. I got to have some patience. I'm trying to get my cake up. Yeah, cake up, I see this. Every day gotta breathe this. Yeah, I'm the reason. Getting this paper all season. Paper. I don't care about them haters. We go high skyscraper. Oh no, we go high like skyscrapers. Oh, I messed up, man. No.
It's all good. It happens. It happens, man. Finally, guys, we are in profits. Woo! Let's run through it. Quick recap. Had this buy signal come in, took the opportunity, and we have our take profit here to 1822.461 for now. What I'm gonna do, since we're up on this one lot, this is really nice for me, so I am going to look. One of my friends commenting, sending me a message that he has Shiba, so I'm gonna close this, and we are up. Look at that, 135 for the day. Close. Boom. Just like that, you guys, that was a session today on Monday. Caught some pips on XAU. I hope you guys enjoyed how I break down showing trusted signals. And if you haven't already, please do give this video a like and subscribe. Trusted Signals, let's go!